don't touch it until mommy come back, okay?
Okay.
All right. Don't touch it. Mommy's coming. Don't touch it, Aaron.
Go. Go away. Go away. Go away. That's my mommy. Hi, mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, did you touch it?
Yeah.
Did you touch it?
I got a red candy.
Did you take any?
One candy, yellow candy.
Did you take any?
Yes.
No, let me check and see. Okay, you can have some now. What did you say? Pardon? What did you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to watch this back and see if you took any. Sorry, baby. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh no.
What do you mean no? You can have none? Mm.
Oh no. There's no brown.
You gave it to me.
Oh
I wasn't supposed to eat it?
no. No.
Why?
I did want to drown.
Because you gave it to me.
No. It's my candy.
Okay, here is it. I didn't eat it, babies. You can't be so mean in the area, and you have to learn to share.
Oh, yeah. Blue candy. What's
Mhm.
brown candy?
Yeah.
This.
No more candies for the rest of the day, though. Okay? That's all you're getting. I love you.
I love you.